Dear student, class 9 English version. Look, today I am going to discuss about the chapter 2 Independent Bangladesh, the background of formulating the Constitution of 1972. The Constitution is the topmost document of a country. It is very important for your MCQ. It reflects the purpose, mission and vision of a state. As the head of the government, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman proclaimed a temporary constitution order on 11 January 1972. When did Bangabandhu proclaim a temporary constitution? On 11 January 1972. The parliamentary form of government was established under this order instead of a presidential form. Look, presidential form of government. The key features of this temporary constitution order were as follows. This order was the temporary constitution order of Bangladesh. It would be enforced immediately. It would be applicable to the whole country. A Ganaparishad would be formed to actually Ganaparishad formed for the making of constitution, draft constitution for Bangladesh. There would be a cabinet to run the administration. The prime minister would be its chief. The president would be the titular head. What is the position of president? Titular head. The president proclaimed Bangladesh Ganaparishad order on 23 March 1972. When did president proclaimed it Bangladesh Ganaparishad order? On 23 March 1972, to prepare a constitution in which the aspiration and dream of the nation would be reflected. As per the order, the member elected in the National and Provincial Assembly in the general election 1970 would be the member of the Ganaparishad. Who are the member of the Ganaparishad? Who are the selected National and Provincial Assembly in 1970 general election? The main objective of Ganaparishad would be prepare the constitution at the first session of Ganaparishad 10th April. When did held the first session? When did the first session of Ganaparishad held? On 10th April 1972, and 34 member committee called a draft constitution formulating committee headed by who was the head or president of draft constitution committee, Dr. Kamal Hussain. A female member was also included in the committee, Begum Razia Banu. Surunjit Sen Gupta, subsequently Awamin League leader, then leader of NAP, was a member of committee. The committee sought suggestions about the constitution from the organization and interested person. The draft constitution was placed as a bill at the second session of the Ganaparishad 12 October 1972. When did the draft constitution bill placed? On 20th October 1972. It was adopted on. When did when was it adopted? Actually on 4th November 1972, and enforced or effective 16 December 1972. While addressing on the constitution, Bangladesh said, "This constitution is written with the blood of the martyr and it will remain alive as a symbol of aspiration and dreams of the people." It is worth mentioning that Pakistan took, look, there are some MCQ. Pakistan took 9 years and India took 3 years. Actually, time there are a timing of Pakistan and India. Pakistan have prepared it 9 years, and India's 3 years, and but Bangladesh government presented constitution to the nation only 10 months. Bangladesh take time 10 months. The characteristics of the constitution of 1972 Look, the Constitution of 1972 was a written one. It was a non-changeable. The four fundamental principles. How many principles are there in the Constitution? Four fundamental principles: nationalism, democracy, socialism, secularism. They are declared as the basic pillar. The state would secure the basic necessities of life, including food, clothing, shelter. It will be. It is written in section 27 in Constitution. Defending the fundamental rights of the people is the main characteristics of the Constitution. Protection of rights to life and personal liberty, freedom of movement, freedom of assembly, freedom of association, freedom of thought, conscience, conscience and of speech, freedom of religion, right to property were ensured in the Constitution. Bangladesh was described in the Constitution in a unitary state. What type of state? Unitary state, to be known as the People's Republic of Bangladesh. It is the official name of Bangladesh, People's Republic of Bangladesh. The national parliament would be sovereign body to enact law. All powers in the republic belong to the people. This declaration established the people's sovereignty. The Constitution was stated as the supreme law of the republic. The Supreme Court can nullify any law inconsistent with the Constitution. Describe it. It is unconstitutional and uphold the honor and the supremacy of the Constitution. The parliament democracy was introduced with, according to the Article 77, the parliament by law may provide for the establishment. In Article 17.7 refers to ombudsman. In the Constitution of Bangladesh, irrespective to caste, creed, person who is not less than 8 years of age. It is the voting age, voters age, and under the one person one vote policy can administer in the general election. In this Constitution, the principle of the state, cooperative and private ownership were stated. The parliament will be of the single assembly. In different times, various government had amended the Constitution for 17 times. How many times? 17 times. Of this amendment, the Supreme Court nullified, very important for MCQ, the 5th amendment by the late President Zia Rahman, 713 amendment of General Ershad. Look, brutally killing of 15 August 1975 on very important for your CQ. August 15, 1975, a brutal and heinous murder took place in the national life of the Bengali. A section of aberrant and ambitious officers of the Bangladesh Army, by the support of the Anti-Liberation Force, assassinated the great architect of independence and father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, at his own residence on the road Nong 32 of Dhanmondi. What do you mean by 32, house number 32, Dhanmondi, road Nong 32 Dhanmondi? It was the house of Bangabandhu. No family members of Bangladesh Bangabandhu present in the house remained alive. Even Russell, an innocent child of 10 years old, was not spared of the bullets of the cruel killers. When Bangladesh was proceeding with the ambition of making a modern corruption-free state with its second, very important, second revolution program by uniting the nation, some conspirator hiding in the country organized the assassination of 15 August with the help of the local and international reactionary group. They understood that Bangabandhu would be successful in materializing the second revolution as was successful in Liberation War, they hatched a plot to reverse the political direction of the country. And it was the most heinous crime opposed to humanity. It took place a result of a secret conspiracy. Bangladesh fell into a deep political crisis after the killing of 15 August. The day is our national mourning day. The black stain in the history of Bangladesh and gruesome murder in the jail. Khandakar Mushtaq Ahmed and then Minister for Commerce assumed power as the president after the killing of Bangabandhu. By declaring martial law, he had arrested the four national leaders of the Liberation War, 22 August, and General Ziaur Rahman appointed as the chief of the army staff. Ban on politics and political parties was imposed by an order 31 August. Khandakar Mushtaq Ahmed declared an ordinance inconsistent with the constitution and the justice on 26 September 1975. It was called indemnity ordinance to save the killers of. What is indemnity ordinance and what do you mean by indemnity ordinance? To save the killers of 15 August from the trial. And the junior officer who were involved in the killing on 15 August started interfering in the state affairs team at the President building instead of returning to the barrack. A chaotic situation prevailed in the country. Brigadier Khaled Musharraf, a important name, the Brigadier Khaled Musharraf took initiative to restore discipline, chain of command in the army. An army revolution took place 3rd November 1975. Leadership Khandakar Mushtaq Ahmed resigned his post 5th November. A.S.M. Saim, Chief Justice of the Supreme Court, took oath as the new president 6th November. Heinous killing in jail. Dhaka Central Jail on 3rd November 1975, with the permission of Khandakar Mushtaq Ahmed, brutally killed the four national leaders Syed Nazrul Islam, Tajuddin Ahmed, Captain M. Mansur Ali and H.M. Kamruzzaman. Look, the martial law administration. The martial law prevailed in the country 15 August 1975 to 6 December 90. Dissolving the constitution of the country, Khandakar Mushtaq, Justice Saim, General Ziaur Rahman, Justice Asanuddin, General Eshad assumed power in defined times. The rules of General Ziaur Rahman. General Ziaur Rahman was a major of the army during the liberation in 1970. He read out the Declaration of Independence on behalf of Bangabandhu on 27 March 1971 from Kalurghat radio station. He was the commander of Sector 2 in the Liberation War under the Mujibnagar government. After the incident of 15 August, Khandakar Mushtaq assumed office as the new president of the country. Later, he appointed General Ziaur Rahman as the chief of the army staff on 24 August. Actually, this time, army martial law ruled was started. After the fall of Mushtaq by the military coup, General Ziaur Rahman was placed under home arrest. 7th November, General Ziaur Rahman was freed by the counter-military coup and come to the limelight of power. President and Justice A.S.M. Saim was appointed the Chief Martial Law Administrator. General Ziaur Rahman replaced him as the Chief Martial Law Administrator on 3rd November 1976, assumed office as. And after that incident, in a farcical trial, many innocent military officers and soldiers were either sentenced to death or sacked from the job. A drastic change was made in the foreign policy and policies of Bangladesh during the regime of Zia Rahman. Most of the fundamental principle constitution, the spirit of the war of liberation were void in that time. Look, Colonel Abu Tahir, a valiant freedom fighter, a sector commander, who played the key role, rescued General Zia Rahman captivity on 7th November. President Zia Rahman was the initiator of the Black Indemnity Ordinance to save the killers of Bangabandhu. The election formation of political party, informal politics, political parties were allowed to do informal politics. Zia Rahman arranged a referendum on 30 May 1977 to legalize his rules, and Ganotantrik Dal, Jatiyotawadi Ganotantrik, with the leaders and the activists of different political parties. The presidential election was held 3rd June 1978 under immense pressure, and the splitting up the political parties. Two alliances were formed on the issue of the election. One was the Jatiyotawadi Front, led by the Jatiyotawadi Ganotantrik Dal, founded by General Zia. Another was the Ganotantrik Oikko Jot, led by the Bangladesh Awami League. General Zia was the candidate of the Jatiyotawadi Front, and M.A.G. Usmani, Chief of Commander of Liberation War, was the candidate of the Ganotantrik Oikko Jot. General Zia won the election easily. The intention of the ruler was reflected in the election arranged under any military rules. And by this situation, 18 February 1979, for the second time in the country, election was held. BNP bagged 27 seats in this parliament. All military rules amendment of the constitution, various on passed from 15 August 75 to 6 April 1979. And look, the martial law was withdrawn in a session of the parliament 6 April 1979. And President Zia Rahman initiated the 19 points action plans of his party, and propounded the concept of Bangladeshi nationalism. He was introduced the Khalkata or canal excavation program. Some countries opposed the independence of Bangladesh, such as China, Middle East, including Saudi Arabia, recognized Bangladesh during his period. Pakistan also made a very close ties with Bangladesh. His ruling time. The relation with India, Eastern Europe countries, including Soviet Union, become very cold. President Zia Rahman killed on 30 May, and Zia Rahman took the initiative to establish South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. Brutally killed on 30 May 1981, Circuit House of Chattogram. The rules of Hussein Mohammad Ershad. After the assassination of General Zia Rahman on 30 May 1981, the Vice President Abdul Sattar assumed power as the acting president as per the constitution. General Hussein Mohammad Ershad was the chief of army staff then, and in the same time Justice Abdul Sattar won the presidential election, but General Hussein Mohammad Ershad occupied the power 24 March 1982 through a military proclamation showing the excuse of weak leadership of Justice Sattar. And President Ahsanuddin, General Hussein Mohammad Ershad, the chief of army, declared himself as the chief martial law, ousting President Ahsanuddin from the power on 11 December 1983. General Zia Rahman, General Hussein Mohammad Ershad assumed office as the President of Bangladesh. Ban on the political activities continues since the proclamation of the martial law, 24 March 1982. 15 party alliance under the leadership of the Awami League and 7 party alliance under the leadership of BNP were formed, and this anti-Ershad movement in 1990 is called mass movement. Very, very important. And finally, on 6 December 1990, Ershad resigned. Formation of party and election. General Hussein Mohammad Ershad, violent political opposition opposition on the dream of the political parties. Actually, Ershad himself tried to form a political party named Janodol on 7th March 1983 and declared 18-point action plan. 83 Pauro Sabha election was held in 1984. Ershad organized referendum of 21st March 1985. Third national parliamentary election was held on 7th May 1986. And 7 party alliance led by the BNP. In the election, Jatiyo Party owned by securing 153 seats out of 300, and Awami League 76 seat as the second largest party. On 15 October 1986, the president election was held on. All the major opposition political parties did not take part in the election. General Hussein Mohammad Ershad was declared the president of the country after the partial election. The national parliament was dissolved as all the elected members of the opposition resigned in December 1987. And the fourth alliance national parliament election was held on 3rd. Fourth national parliament election was held on 3rd March 1988. And all the major opposition party, including Awami League, BNP, boycotted the election. Section 2.4, the restoration of the journey towards democracy. After the martyrdom of the father of nation, founder, President of Bangladesh, Bangabandhu, the journey of democracy was hindered, and the Janta was power up to 1990. Mass movement of 90 and restoration journey of democracy. Students started agitation for the first time against the martial law 1982 by demanding cancellation of education policy of Hussein Mohammad Ershad. An original constitution of 1972 establishing the parliamentary democracy, the Awami League led 15 party alliance and BNP led 7 party were formed in 1983. 15 party and 7 party raised 5-point demands. And apart from the political parties, student, teachers, doctor, engineer, lawyer, people from all quarters of life participated in it. And look, from the experience of parliament election 1986, 88 and president election 1986, the political parties understood that any election under the rules of Hussein Mohammad Ershad could not be free, and therefore 8 party alliance and 7 party alliance, 5 party alliance launched a 1-point movement for ousting Ershad. Look, the anti-Ershad movement got a tremendous pace because of the call for an all-out strike action, Dhaka Oborod programs by the 3 alliance on 10 November 1987, very, very important day, while demonstrating near the Dhaka GPO, General Post Office GPO, at 0 point, writing Ganatantra Mukti Pak, Shoirachar Nipajak, democracy be free, despot be fallen down, On his chest and back, Nur Hussain was shot by the police. 10 November 1987. The agitation people were arrested, and Ershad declared emergency. 27 November, the whole country flared up, and the program of besiding Secretariat on 10th October 19. 300 got the firing on the procession took the lives of 5 people and 300 got injured. Sharbodoliyo Chhatro Oikko, an alliance of 22 student wings, declared to continue agitation until Ershad resigned. And very important issue, when the Bangladesh Medical Association leader Dr. Samsul Alam Milan was shot dead 27 November, the movement reached in pinnacle. The teacher of the Dhaka University submitted their resignation 29 November. And Ershad declared his resignation 6 December 1990. In the general election 1991, BNP got 140 seats. They needed 151 seats to form government, and BNP-led government passed a bill take care on 26 March and resigned on 30 March 1996. 7th national parliamentary election was held on 12 June 1996. And the Awami League handed over power to the second caretaker government 2001, and 8th national parliament election was held on 1st October 2001, and caretaker government 26 after the completion of the tenure, the President Yazuddin Ahmed violating provision of forming the caretaker government. And 9th parliamentary election 29 December 2008. In this election, Mahajot under the leadership of Awami League achieved landslide victory, and the Mahajot government is running the state, keeping the flow of the socio-economic cultural development. The poor was significant socio-economic development. The poor was 70% in 1970. And the poverty level was reduced 24 during the last 46 years, and the objective of the fifth 5 years plan by yearly plan helped to reduce the poverty. Look, this is the national poverty elimination strategy to prepared by the advice of the development partners. In the last 3 decades, food production rose to 3 times more than previous period. Dr. Amartya Sen, very important, Nobel laureate in economics, opined that Bangladesh has made a praiseworthy role in flourishing education, reducing child mortality. Rate has been reduced 48 in 1000 comparing to 185 in 1000 during the last 4 decades. Child education has now increased 65%. As a result, the government is advancing education for all Vision 2201 and social safety circle in 2010 to 11 fiscal year. Family Violence Prevention Protection Act was enacted in 2010. VGF, Vulnerable Group Feed, Vulnerable Group Development. This program has been taken for reducing poverty. National Child Policy 2010, and for the Protection Child and Development for the Life in 2011. And this is a big achievement of our country. Mongol Shobha Jatra, Bangladesh has been listed in the World Cultural Heritage by UNESCO. So read more. Thank you very much.